insurance is waste of money. This is what young people tell me when it comes to buying a health insurance or a life insurance. कि इस उम्र में मुझे क्या ही होगा? I should look at investing more money and earning more out of my investments. If you are thinking the same, sorry guys, you are wrong. My opinion has changed after looking at so many benefits and also the additional cost that I have to pay if I delay my insurance purchase. और वैसे भी जिस तरह की मेरी लाइफस्टाइल है और I would say जिस तरह की हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है, we should definitely consider having both health insurance and life insurance at an early age. पर क्यों? मैं बताती हूँ. पहले बात करते हैं why you need a health insurance or a life insurance. आपने देखे ही होंगे ये सब न्यूज़ स्टोरीज. So many people are dying out of heart attack in a young age too. Imagine there is no tomorrow for you. In simple terms, you pass away today. Your parents or your dependents will at least have something to hold on to if you have a life insurance. Or say you are walking on the road and some guy on his bike comes and skids and runs into you and you need an operation and you get admitted in a hospital. Then this health insurance will help you cover so much of your hospitalization costs. So as a young person also, you don't know what will happen tomorrow क्योंकि बेटा कल हो ना हो क्या पता. So you should be prepared and you need both health and life insurance which covers your medical costs when you are alive and other costs when you are dead for your family too. Let us first understand both of these terms in detail. Pehla, life insurance. What is it? Life insurance is also called as term insurance. In this case, you pay a premium amount to the insurance company. वो company आपको एक insurance cover देगी उसके बदले में. In case of your demise, यानी कि आपकी death हो जाती है, तो वो amount आपके parents या dependents को चला जाएगा and it could be your spouse or your kids too. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुन्नी ने एक 5 करोड़ रुपए का इंश्योरेंस लिया है जिसपे वो 25,000 रुपीज़ का प्रीमियम भरती है हर साल टिल द एज ऑफ 65. अब अगर मुन्नी की डेथ 65 से पहले हो जाती है तो वो जो कवर वाला पैसा है 5 करोड़ रुपए उसके डिपेंडेंट्स को मिल जाएगा. अगर वो सर्वाइव कर जाती है तो उस केस में इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपको कुछ भी नहीं देगी वापस. मुझे पता है आप क्या सोच रहे हो, वेस्ट ऑफ मनी हो गया ना. तो इसके लिए भी एक उपाय है. So there is an option that some companies provide you, ULIPs. Now with this, the company will put a portion of your premium into the stock market or the market linked funds like equities, debt, etc. And the remaining portion will be used for your life insurance cover. Now with this, you can choose to invest in any asset class based on your risk appetite, make partial withdrawals too, and switch the portfolio depending on the market performance. But all is not well as well. It is risky too, and experts recommend not to mix your insurance with your investments. One primary reason is that traditional insurance policies are relatively giving low returns compared to pure investments, so your insurance cum investment policies might not keep pace with inflation. Next is that it lacks flexibility and premature withdrawals might also result in significant loss due to high charges. The structure is also not very transparent because underlying costs, charges, and actual returns often are obscure, and the coverage will also be less for your primary insurance, and this is the main motive of an insurance, right? But it totally depends on you and you need to consult your financial advisor before taking any decision. अब बात करते हैं हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में आपको मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस का कवर मिलता है. As you know that inflation is going up, and so are the medical expenses. लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए तो ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं अगर आप गलती से हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो जाओ तो एक अच्छी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आपको मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस में सेव करने में हेल्प करेगी. इसमें भी यू पे अ प्रीमियम अमाउंट टू द कंपनी जो आपको मेडिकल कवर देगी. Now with an example, assuming Munni has taken a health insurance cover of 20 lakh rupees and she pays a premium of 15,000 rupees every year on this. So according to Munni's plans, whatever surgeries, hospitalization, etc. is covered in her plan, she can claim medical costs from the company with proper documentation in place in case she goes through any of these medical issues. Now, how can you save cost on insurance? Number one, get an early insurance, because the cost of insurance when you are younger is lesser when you compare it to when you get older or for senior citizens. Number two, for health insurance, opt for a family plan which will cover all the members of your family. Usually the premium is less for such policies, and it will also rule out some additional costs that you pay for insurance for senior citizens like your parents. Number three, claim tax deductions. You can save up to 25,000 rupees on health insurance and term insurance under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act on insurance premium. For family floater plans, it is 50,000 rupees, but make sure you know that it is only for old tax regime. Number four, you need to compare multiple plans and choose the best one. And number five is that you can top up your plan because the additional charges are usually less for this. Lastly, things to remember is that you need to stay fit before your medical test for better coverage and premium. Second, if you smoke, the premium is higher, so well, maybe quit smoking. And lastly, choose a trustworthy insurance company. And for more such news and views, we are here, so subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.